Connect the handpiece to the machine. Connect the machine to an outlet with normal power supply. A small needle and a large needle are provided for removing the spots or moles. The large one can be directly fitted to the handpiece for use. For the small one, you need to fit it to a metal gadget first, and then put it on the handpiece. Choose proper needle according to the size of spots or moles. Wipe the target area with a rubbing alcohol. Get the area local anesthetic and wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Fit the needle to the handpiece and use a cotton swab to sterilize it with a rubbing alcohol. Turn the knob at the front clockwise to start the machine. There are 10 levels of energy. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Do not cut the spots or moles before treatment. Direct the needle at the target point and hold the handpiece steady during treatment to prevent skin burns. Sterilize the needle with a rubbing alcohol again after the treatment. Apply repair cream in the morning and evening. If there's skin inflammation, do not apply creams. Please note, the number of treatments for different spots or moles varies. For the spots or moles at the superficial layers of skin, 1 or 2 treatments are enough, but for those at deeper layer of skin, it may take 3 to 5 treatments to remove them. For daily routine and protection against sun rays also play an important role in helping reduce spots or moles. It is recommended that you take the treatment on a weekly basis. Treatment for walls. Use a needle to destroy the cells of the walls and wait for 6 to 7 days to let the walls come off your skin. If the size of the walls is relatively large, more treatments are needed. Do not try to remove it in one treatment session, for this may cause more damage to skin.